Dear children, now we learn to encircle the object for starting with given small letter. प्यारे बच्चों, अब दिए गए हरूफ से शुरू होने वाली चीजों के गिर्द हम दायरा लगाना सीखेंगे. N stands for nest. Nest is the first picture of the row. So, we encircle the picture of our nest. J stands for jacket. Jacket is the first picture of the row. So, we encircle the picture of our jacket. P stands for pencil. Now, we search pencil in the pictures. Key, pencil. Yes, this is a pencil. So, we encircle the picture of a pencil. M stands for mug. Mug is the first picture of the row. So, we encircle the picture of a mug.